Hi guys, welcome back to FTX RC, and just like to do a short video on the tyre upgrade. I don't know if you watched the unboxing and test video. Well, I wasn't quite happy with the tyres. They felt a bit hard. I think the foams are a bit hard in there. They felt a little bit toyish, slipping quite a lot out on the backyard trail, but overall not too bad. However, one of our subscribers from the higher you crawl, the farther you fall, I think I got that right, has suggested that he has the same tyres on a different FTX rig, and he took the foams out, made them a little bit softer, got better grip. So we're going to give that a go and see how we get on. So here we go, tools at the ready. Let's get these tyres off, get the foams out, and see how we get on. As you can see, the little locking pin now falls out, and in these the actual hexes themselves stay in the tyre. So the only way we can really sort that issue out is to try and release them somehow. Release that out of the back of the tyre now, and we'll put that on a bit later on. So, bead locks, gold coloured plastic bead lock rims. Might replace them with some nice metal ones one day, you never know, but they do look good. So, as painful as this is, I'm sure some of you guys have done it all before. Bead locks with even more screws on. I know some of my friends have. It is painstaking, however, most often than not worth it, but it's part of the hobby, it's what we do. So we'll speed that up for you now. Now to carefully take out the foams, we'll see what the foams are like. So we'll just take the wheel hub out, grab the foam, careful not to break them like that. As you can see, the foams, they are pretty hard, to be fair, but I'm liking this mod. So we'll stick the hub back in and the bead locks, and we'll speed that up for you. So just a little reminder that when you're taking the wheel off, the hub locking pin will fall out there, so we have to get that on. It's a little bit fiddly. If we just slot that in there, so. The hub on itself, which we can change to metal, just try and slot that on there, and it's fell out already. Try again, that in there. There we go. Now try and keep that in there now. I might suggest put a bit of grease on there just in case it stops. Help it to stop slipping out maybe. Let's get the nut back on now. There we go. So there we have all four done. Foam's out, as you can see. You can hear the air there. However, they are soft. Ready for the trial, see if we can get some more grip. Some of you may be asking, why did I not use any thread lock or anything? Normally I do. So I would be just putting a touch on each there and back on the nut, just to help those secure and leave them for a little while, maybe half an hour or so to bed in. But on this occasion I just wanted to get the video done and get out there and just see what the grip's like. So let's go. Okay, so here we go. Foam's out the tyres, let's see what the grip's like now. For you, I'll get it for you, son. There you go, the sticker up there. There we go. Sounds better than it did before. It sounds better than it did before, son, doesn't it? Yeah. It's not so noisy now. Hold it there. There we go. Whee! Our first roll. Doesn't like them tyres, does it? Doesn't like them tyres we put on, of course. Try a back up, little back up. No. Sweet. Yay, another rollover. Okay. That's it, that rear wheel steering working out nicely there. Definitely grips better. Alright, that wasn't too bad. So not a bad run, really impressed with that modification, taking the foams out, got a bit better grip. We had a couple of rollovers, but that's what the course does to our rigs. It's quite challenging, even though it's so small. However, really impressed with that. Obviously be easier to get the water out now, we can just squeeze them out and it come out the seep hole inside the hub there on each tyre. Absolutely impressed with that. Would like to give a big special thanks to the higher you crawl, the further you'll fall, for that mod. Absolutely fantastic, great stuff there. You should get on and visit his channel. I tell you why. Great mods, great advice, great videos, absolutely fantastic. Thanks for that. I'm not going to put the foams back in. I may even try these on some of our other rigs, like my SCX 10.2 and on the Charisma SCA 1E. Try them on there. Even might try them on the FTX Outlaw, aka the Nightmare, and see how we get on with those. But overall, fantastic. If you'd like to leave any comments in the comment section below, that would be great. Hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe today. Happy RCing, guys. Have a great weekend.